काय ऊर्जा और उसकी चमत्कारी सामर्थ्य. This book is also available in English. It's called Potential of Biophysical Energies. And when I read that book, that was really an eye opener. Because before that, the kind of books which were offered to me by various people were very orthodox, talking about Gayatri with a picture of a goddess in front. So that never used to excite me, because I have been a student of science. So this looked like another goddess created by somebody, just like there are so many of goddesses in our country. But when I read this book, I realized that the person who's actually talking about Gayatri is a person who's a really profound intellectual human being.
Namaste, you are watching Shanti Kunj video YouTube channel, and today we are joining together for a very thought-provoking discussion on the topic spirituality from scientific point of view. Dear viewers, it's our honor and pleasure that today we are joined by Dr. Amitabh Sarrafji. Dr. Sarrafji is outstanding scientist and is technology director of Advanced Technology Development, working with Aeronautical Development Agency, which is working under Ministry of Defence, Government of India. We welcome you, sir, in this talk. To begin with this talk, I think the topic is understanding about spirituality, but I would definitely like to take few minutes to introduce Dr. Sarraf, because the eminent expert or the speaker with us who will be talking about spirituality and giving a scientific aspect about spirituality comes from a background of science. He is an alumni of IIT Bombay, from where he graduated. He did his post-graduation. Then further rising to higher levels, he did his doctorate from a premier institution, IISc Bangalore. From there, he again traveled a long distance and did his postdoctoral, and the topic of postdoctoral in itself was re-entry guidance algorithm designed for next generation NASA space shuttles, and which he did from University of California, USA. While doing all the academics and research as a scientist, when he entered into the premier institution of India, where he started serving Government of India, he worked with several projects of national importance. To talk few of them is Tejas, as we all know. And along with that, right now when he is working with the combat operation things which are working with the latest technology of artificial intelligence, he is contributing directly to Indian defense, and along with that he is being awarded by several prestigious awards, and he is also working as a volunteer for social service also. So Dr. Sarrafji, we welcome you once again, and dear viewers, stay tuned, because the first question which I am going to ask on behalf of all of you to Dr. Sarraf is, we are in the headquarter of All World Gayatri Parivar, Shanti Kunj Haridwar, and Shanti Kunj Haridwar is working for the mission Thought Transformation. So the first question to Dr. Sarraf, while we will discussing about the scientific aspect of spirituality, is, Dr. Sarraf, how you learned about this mission and how you got associated with it, because the answer to this particular question will definitely give an insight to all the youngsters watching this particular talk. So this is the first question, Dr. Sarraf, to you.
Okay, so thank you very much, Gopalji. It's my pleasure to be here with you today. I have been, reading or knowing a little bit about this mission right from my childhood, because I remember when our trains used to pass through Mathura, we could see Yug Nirman Yojana written everywhere. And of course, I was very young, so I had no understanding of what this mission was all about. The first time when I actually got introduced to this mission was when I came to Shanti Kunj Haridwar in 1992. I met Vandaniya Mataji also that time. And even then there was no association that developed, because that was more like knowing this place, where it is located, what kind of work is being done here. I did my MTech from IIT Bombay, that was in 1992. And a little later, what happened to me was, one of my aunts, who was also a professor at IIT Bombay. So she gave me a book which was titled काय ऊर्जा और उसकी चमत्कारी सामर्थ्य. This book is also available in English. It's called Potential of Biophysical Energies. And when I read that book, that was really an eye opener. Because before that, the kind of books which were offered to me by various people were very, orthodox, talking about Gayatri with a picture of a goddess in front. So that never used to excite me because, I have been a student of science. So, this looked like, another goddess created by somebody, just like there are so many of goddesses in our country. But when I read this book, I realized that the person who's actually talking about Gayatri is a person who's a really, profound, intellectual human being. That particular book was really exciting because it talked about, what kind of bioelectrical currents that flow inside the body, the concept of biomagnetism, and, circadian rhythms and things like that, which are very profound concepts of scientific understanding. So that is the time when I realized that this person, who I also knew that he had only passed a fourth standard formally, could write a sort of a thesis which is very, very scientific, and it talked about the latest researches which are going on all over the world, with so many beautiful references of several topics that were covered. That was the time this thing clicked in my mind that I'm trying to learn about a person who's actually a great scientist himself, despite the fact that he's only talking about spirituality and topics. Convinced me to read a little more, and my association really started with Gayatri Parivar when I read several of the books which have been written by Pujya Gurudev, Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. And that's how the things have picked up. The next phase, I would say, which came in my life is when we had some problem at home, some things didn't work out well, and I was quite depressed. That was the time when another book came to my hand, Gehna Karmano Gati, which again opened my eyes to see that this whole world is quite different from the way we perceive, and how our own karmas create the situations that we have. And it gave me an immense confidence. It gave me an understanding of how we have to live in this world, what are the goals that we have in our lives, and that's how the interest in spirituality grew, and it is continuing to grow even today.
Definitely, the answer to this first question definitely tells a story that how a person from scientific background got transformed to the literature, the books. I think Pujya Gurudev always considered those books as the primary tools of thought revolution. And for the benefit of youngsters and the viewers, I would like to say that if you also want to read these books, please visit our website literature.awgp.org. You can also download our mobile application AWGP Literature. I think there you can find these books, and the story of transformation which we learned about Dr. Saraf, I think you will definitely have your own story after reading these books.
हमारे YouTube चैनल शांति कुंज वीडियो गायत्री परिवार को सब्सक्राइब करें एवं बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं ताकि गायत्री परिवार की विभिन्न गतिविधियों की जानकारी आपको मिलती रहे।